Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to continue solving questions on indices. But as I've already said, before you can solve these questions easily, unless you master all the laws or the properties of indices. So if you don't know the laws or the properties of indices, you can check my video I made on the laws and properties of indices. And if you're able to learn or master all those laws or the rules, these questions will be easier for you. Now let's start work. The first one we have over here is bracket open 27 times 3 raised up power negative 2, 8 times 2 raised up power negative 3. So how do we apply the rules to solve the first one? First of all, let's deal with each bracket first. So this one. Now 27 can be expressed as 3 raised up power 3 times 3 raised up power negative 2. And over here, it can also be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power negative 3. So this one, according to the multiplication law of indices, when the bases are the same, we can add the exponent. So since the 3 and this 3 have the same basis or are the same basis, we add this 3 and this 2 and this negative 2, which are the index. So we are going to choose one of the 3. So 3, and then we add 3 plus negative 2, then we close the bracket. Over here to the same, these two are the same basis, so you choose one of them and then add the index 3 plus negative 3. And then over here, 3 positive times negative, so you're going to have 3 minus 2, and then over here you're going to have 2 3 minus 3, and over here you're going to have 3 minus 2 is 1, so we're going to have 3 raised to the power 1, and over here too, we're going to have 2 raised to the power 3 minus 3 is 0. And now over here, 3 minus 1 is the same as 3. Any number raised to the power 1 is the same number. So 3 raised to the power 1 is the same as 3 times 2 raised to the power 0. And then according to the 0 or the 0 property of indices, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. And then finally you have 3 1 3. So this is the answer. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one, we have 256 negative 1 over 4, and then also 225 1 over 2 plus 58 raised to the power 0. Now as usual, let's deal with the ones in the bracket first. Now 225 raised to the power 1 over 2. Now this one we can use two ways. Either you find the square root of 225, or you express the 225 in such a way that that number will have an index equal to the 2. So we know that 15 squared is the same as 225, but already this 1 over 2 is there. So 15 squared times 1 over 2 plus 58, and then as I said earlier, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So here I'm going to have 1, and over here too. Now according to the negative index rule, 256 minus 1 over 4. Now if you want to get rid of this negative, we are going to find the reciprocal. So we are going to say 1 over 256 and then 1 over 4. Multiply by. Now this 2 will cancel this one, and you have 15 plus 1. Now over here too, we can express this 256 in such a way that that number is going to have an exponent or power equal to the 4, and we know that 4 raised to the power 4 is 256. But already bear in mind the 1 over 4 is still there, so 1 over 4. So this 4 will cancel this 4, and now 15 plus 1 will give us 16. So finally you're going to have 1 over 4 16, and it will be 16 over 4. And then 16 over 4, you know that 4 times 4 is 16, so we're going to have 4 times 4 all over 4. So this 4 cancels this 4, and now the final answer is 4. Let's consider the next one. Now in the next one, we have 27 raised to the power 2 over 3 times 64 raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by 81 raised to the power 1 over 4. Now over here, the 27, let's put them in brackets. So 27 raised to the power 2 over 3 times 64 raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by 81 raised to the power 1 over 4. Now you know that the 27 can be expressed as 3 raised to the power 3. Then we have this one here. 64 can also be expressed as 4 raised to the power 3. And 81 too can be expressed as 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, now according to the rule, that says that the power of a power, this index outside is going to multiply this index inside. So we're going to have 3 times this one to 4, and then this one to multiply this divided by 3 for this one to multiply this. So this one will cancel this one will also cancel this one, and this one also cancel this one. And then we're going to have 3 raised to the power 2 times 4 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 1. Now we know that this 3 and this 3 are the same, so we can group them together as 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 1 times 4 raised to the power 1. Now we also know that according to the division law or the quotient law, when the bases are the same, we subtract the index. So 3 raised to the power 2 minus 1 times 4. Now the number raised to the power 1 is the same number, so we can ignore this one over there. And 2 minus 1 is, you have 3 raised to the power 1 times 4, and 3 times 4, which will give you 12. The final answer is 12. Now this is how we apply the rules to solve questions like this. So if you want to know how to solve this one, first of all, check my video I did on laws of indices, and then come back to solve these questions. Don't forget to comment on the video, subscribe, and like my video. Thank you.